Are you ready? I say, are you ready? Are you ready? I say, are you ready?
Hello, hi, my name is Nirvana Zahid, and we are now minutes from the 8th edition of the official annual Party on Wheels. It's an 8-hour spinning marathon, and it's held on the sunny shores of the Gouna Red Sea every year.
Are you ready now?
It's very important to see different vibes, different presenter. You learn a lot from it. As long as you are move, you are an athlete.
Are you ready?
It really is truly a one-of-a-kind event because it's the perfect blend and fusion between the sports and fitness world and also the party entertainment world. What makes this year different is that we've actually turned it into a 3-day event, and we've coined it the Fitness Fiesta. Day 1 was master trainer classes, and then today is day 2. We have the official annual Party on Wheels, and then tomorrow we get to unwind and recover with a yoga class where we say our goodbyes until next year's annual Party on Wheels.
Stand up, put your hands up and shake, shake, shake it. Come on and shake it and bounce, bounce.